Namaste. I am Vaidya Sukumar Sadanand Deshmukh. I am very today happy and delighted that my father and our beloved Guru, Dr. Sadanand Deshmukh sir is there with me. We have a very special announcement to make. We are very happy and proud that we are doing our next Gurukula for the international students soon on the 1st of August till the 6th of August for the students especially from abroad. So they are all international students coming from Japan. This Gurukula will be conducted near Pune, near Lonavala, and it will be there for 6 days. It will be a very intensive Gurukula system. We all know that this is a technique which has been coming from thousands of years, where a student stays in close presence of his Guru for the whole 24 hours, more than 24 hours. Every day he is there with the Guru. He not only learns what is the theoretical knowledge which has been given in the classical text, but also the experience or also the practical knowledge which has been coming from generations to generations in our family. So I think that is a very good opportunity for the international students, especially from Japan, because this time Dr. Deshmukh sir will be there. He will be giving his knowledge, his practical knowledge, discussing about many things which have been passed to him from his father, his forefathers, and it will be taught to everyone. And the main part about this Gurukula is that the main aims about or what are the contents of this Gurukula, they are very fascinating and very interesting. The main thing this time we are talking about geriatric care. We all know that Japan is a country where aging population is more. So we are going to talk about what Ayurveda says about geriatrics, what Ayurveda says about geriatric care. Also, we are going to more focus this time on the food and nutrition part, which is very important. The home remedies, the home recipes that can be done in different conditions, diseases. And the third and most important, this time we are talking of mana. Mana is the mind. So we all know that the lifestyle and the stress that has been getting every day. So what Ayurveda thinks about mana, what Ayurveda thinks about mental stress, psychological disorders, psychosomatic disorders, and also various remedies and treatments that can help to improve this. So I think this will be a very interesting Gurukula, a very more practical oriented Gurukula this time. So I'm very happy, and I, Dr. Deshmukh sir, we welcome you for this 5th International Students Gurukula, which is for Japanese students near Lonavala. So please come, and we see you there at Lonavala. Thank you very much.